I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Jritika.
I'm Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam. Today, we are going to be talking about a skill that I feel like everyone should master the art of. And that is the art of bullshitting. Because if I think it's something that you don't really need to learn per se, because I have been bullshitting my way through life ever since I was a kid. And that is lying to my parents, be it white lies or bigger lies. But I feel like it's something that every kid is born with.
You
You're
got
not
to
born
fake
with
it.
You develop the skill as and when you grow up.
Yeah, but it's also it comes so naturally to you. But it's so apart from the fact that you're lying, it's also so fun to do it.
Yeah.
Like,
No,
why is it?
It wasn't always fun, I feel.
What?
It wasn't always fun to like rebel against your parents. I was I was like,
There was a little bit of guilt. Okay.
huh,
Oh, no,
fuck, I'm lying to them.
lying.
Yeah.
I don't think I properly started lying to my parents until like 4 years ago.
What? Yeah. But like white lies, so you definitely told in school.
Such
na?
as I
You
ate my.
You tell us.
Like, I don't know, what were yours?
Like something very petty. Like if my mom was like, "Oh, did you eat your dabba?" and I'd be like, "No, someone else ate it," but I'd be like, "Yeah, I did eat it." Something like that.
Harmless ones.
It's like
That's
harmless
basically
ones.
white
Those are
lies.
white lies, right?
More
you had
than
fun.
that also, I think when we were growing up, for me it was like मतलब पता ही नहीं चल रहा है झूठ कैसे बोल रहे हो ऐसे 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 naturally निकल रहा है
Exactly, that's what I'm
and that's
saying.
when like you surprise yourself.
That's what even
Yeah.
like I think the more I started lying, the more I was like, maybe I have the power in me.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
with every
Yeah.
lie, you just get better.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
It's like
And then when you grow up, you're like, oh fuck, I need to build this sort of confidence, and that's when you come across the phase, fake it till you make it.
Yeah. True.
And that phase, that phrase has literally changed my life. If I had a Bible of everything I said, everything that was the gospel truth,
Yeah.
according to me personally, if I was the author of my own Bible,
Yeah.
this would be the title of it.
Same.
Fake it till you make
Precisely.
it.
Because I genuinely feel like lying and like bullshitting your way through life is of course such an essential thing, but it's also such an art, because if you lie correctly, you can open so many doors for
If you're
yourself.
lying correctly is literally manifestation. It's synonymous to
Literally.
manifestation.
Exactly. And I feel like at every point you are lying in order to like for it to be an advantage to yourself or to like get yourself to certain places. And I don't think there's anything wrong, because I feel like growing up we were also shamed for lying, because it's like, oh,
It's
like,
a
you know,
sin, whatever.
Yeah.
like what was that saying that to hide one lie you have to say like 100
100
other
100
lies.
lies.
एक झूठ
yeah.
छुपाने के लिए 100 झूठ
Exactly.
बोलने पड़ते हैं.
Yeah.
But अगर किसी झूठ से किसी का घर बसता हो
तो
वो
वो झूठ नहीं होता.
That
Yeah,
movie
we see that.
scandalized me. So,
But I agree with this. a little
yeah, but no, it scandalized me because of what Deepika Padukone was wearing. And
Valid.
valid, like she was really hot
Hot.
and everything. But I was like, wait, this is an adult movie. That's how much of a
Fair.
rule follower I was, bro.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
weird. Like, oh god.
But this literally is capitalism, right? All they have been doing, all the system has been doing for so long is bullshitting their way through for them getting their pleasures out of it. Like if we go to see multiple industries, multiple things, or multiple practices that exist are just bullshit.
Yeah.
Absolute bullshit.
Yeah. And like there was this interview that I'd seen of Anne Hathaway when she was on the Ellen show, and this video was floating around a while back where she
Yeah.
I think it was like I think everyone has seen this video, but basically
The orange one.
the orange
Yeah.
theory. She basically she came on the show and she was like, so guys, I'm going to tell you all this one tactic to breathe better or something, to like, you know, live a healthier life. And she told the audience that you're going to find a tangerine under your chairs, you're going to take it, peel it just halfway, okay? And
No,
then
the whole thing.
Oh yeah, sorry. You're going to peel it the whole way, but you're not going to like remove the individual pieces of the orange, and you're going to blow in and out through the orange, and it's supposed to like make you feel better, and
It's supposed to calm you
It's
down.
supposed to calm you down. It's like a tactic to like, you know, breathe better or something along those lines. People actually started buying into that, and they were like, oh my god, wait, is this something? And they were like inhaling and exhaling, and then she kept going on about this for like a minute or two, and then she was like, this is all bullshit. I'm messing with y'all. This is nothing.
like she
Like,
just
And don't
made it
like
up.
just listen to everything that celebrities endorse.
Exactly. Or
Literally.
like people in power, basically. You just need to have some fucking thought of your
Cognizance,
own
yeah.
and like
Yeah.
critical
That's
thinking
where
of
I
your
draw
own.
the line with the whole bullshitting idea. Is speaking about celebrities, I feel the most bullshitting that I've seen from there's more, but like
Yeah,
as
yeah.
from a personal point of view, I think these people just the way they sell and endorse products or services that they
Yeah.
absolutely do not fuck with. Even if you pay them money, they won't fuck with it
Shah
in real
Rukh
life.
Khan has never smelled Vimal in his life.
He's never done this in his life. What is he
if
doing?
you are a Vimal buyer, first of all, this is
Ajay
not the
Devgan.
show. Shah Rukh Khan's also there, and
Acha,
so
Shah Rukh
is
Khan, Ajay
Tiger
Devgan,
Shroff.
Akshay Kumar. Tiger
Yeah,
Shroff.
and if you're watching this and you consume Vimal for some reason,
Good on you, I guess.
I guess I don't think that there's an
Yeah,
overlap
yeah.
in that Venn diagram at all. Like Besharam viewers and Vimal consumers.
Could be.
But if there is, like, please, if nobody told you, let me tell you.
Yeah,
Shah
they
Rukh
don't
Khan
do
has
it.
never had
don't do
Vimal. But imagine the payday that they must have had.
Exactly.
And also, speaking of Shah Rukh Khan, like these paid promotions are going like out of hand these days because Shah Rukh Khan was secretly promoting an indie Indian
Please cut that out.
Indian skincare, like homegrown Indian skincare brand.
Okay.
I won't take the name, of course, but
Mhm.
the way that they did it was on somebody else's story, and it was just his bag, Shah Rukh Khan's bag. And it was like, oh, this is all in Shah Rukh Khan's bag, and one of the products was very like
Okay.
strategically placed there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just know that he does not use. I know he does not use. I know Shah Rukh Khan's not using. But how?
There, Shah Rukh Khan's not even.
But how did
Yeah.
they afford him?
Okay, no. Let's come with a full-blown ad with Shah
Yeah,
Rukh
that
Khan.
was a this to the main campaign.
Yeah.
But how did
Yeah.
they afford him?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
I think in my opinion, I feel like the advertising and marketing industry in itself is a scam in itself.
Like
Yeah.
any
It's
system. Yeah.
like any system, fair. But I feel like this as an industry and as a career is built on bullshitting people
Yeah.
and scamming people.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to sit on my high horse and say like, oh my God, I'm better than everyone else because I work in that industry.
Yeah.
So I know the ins and outs of it and I know how we use certain tactics to bullshit people.
Yeah.
And it's okay, fine. Ethically, if you consider, nothing is right.
For
Like,
sure.
no one is doing things ethically on like on a moral
Yeah.
high ground. But there's some form of like some amount of bullshit that you do
Yeah.
in any industry.
And I feel with marketing industry, it's so upfront that you're able to clock it
Yeah,
right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Fair.
Because every industry is bullshit, right? No industry is extremely ethical, but regardless of how they function
yeah,
in
true.
any level.
yeah,
But since marketing is so upfront and it's so
The point
It's
of
so
marketing
loud
is
right now,
to be
everywhere.
seen. The point,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like other industries, they work behind the scenes and they still get their work done. But the point
आजकल
of
तो सभी इंडस्ट्री को दिखना है ना.
not true.
देख मार्केटिंग का काम इस दूसरी इंडस्ट्री को दिखाना.
Hmm.
I'm not talking about that.
Hmm.
I'm saying when an ad is done, when an ad is made, just because it is so loud, you can very prominently clock it. Number one, because you know people in and around that industry that can give you the ins of it.
Hmm.
Other industry में इतना
outright नहीं
हो
होता.
सकता है. I'm not saying no. I'm just saying a lot of people don't have so much inside information as compared to marketing because it's so mainstream right now.
Because it's also
Yeah.
an industry which is so much in the limelight.
Exactly.
Fair, I get it.
It's in the limelight because of the fact that the point of of marketing is for it to be seen by people.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So that is why you're able to clock it
Yeah.
much easier.
Yeah.
And like with marketing, I find it's not the worst of, the bullshitting culprits
Correct.
because you're just selling something, right? At the end of the day. And selling overselling you have to do because you're a
Correct.
salesperson at the end of the
Yeah.
day. So I find that no market, like you really have to fuck up bad to like make me be like, oh, I hate this company's
Brand,
marketing,
yeah. True.
and which is why I will not support it.
Correct.
Yeah.
And with marketing, it's also like you said, like a lot of people know that they're being sold some amount of bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what they sign up for. They're like, I know ये मुझे थोड़ा चूतिया बना रहा है, but I enjoy this little
क्योंकि
fuckery
ये
of what's
harmless
going
है.
on. It's
Yeah.
harmless.
Harmless.
It's playful.
Yeah.
I know I'm being scammed to some extent, and I have the cognizance to know what's right and what's
Yeah,
not.
and I
right
can
for
also
me.
step out whenever it gets
Like
too much.
compared to selling something that actually gets predatory, like insurance,
Correct.
or
Yeah.
like like
Those pyramid schemes.
pyramid schemes,
Yeah.
Ponzi schemes, those people in like stock exchange,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
that's all, like they're scamming people out of their money, like
That
knowing
is, like,
insider
outright,
info.
like,
Yeah.
that's,
Yeah.
Which is why I feel like marketing seems like an angel.
it's fun. It's
It's
like
great.
fucking fun. I know.
It's awesome. You want to buy the toothpaste, you buy the toothpaste. If you don't want,
don't.
Yeah.
it'll just cost you 140 rupees
Exactly.
at
And-
most.
Correct. And with what you're saying, it's also other brands, or like, especially growing up. When I used to see, like, I remember there was this one, I think it was, and they always back it up by some doctors, and they're like, you know, they sit down
Always,
and doctor, or like
yeah.
Any toothpaste.
toothpaste brand
Any
for that
toothpaste,
matter.
Any
yeah.
healthcare product as of now. I
Healthcare, if anything, which claims to clear your skin, for that
Yeah.
matter, even
Yeah.
while growing
Yeah.
up, they used
Yeah.
to be like, oh, 9 out of 10 doctors say this. Who are these
Who are
doctors?
these doctors?
How do we know your sources are
Yeah.
credible? Because
Yeah.
sure, you will bring one person who will not agree with this fact just to make it sound more like likely that this
Yeah.
is legit.
Yeah.
But who's to say that?
वो
you
बाकी
know?
ना doctors क्या बोल रहे हैं, who knows?
Exactly. And you know, I had seen this reel of this is a little off topic, but since we're on the topic of ads and bullshitting, I had seen this reel of Hustle Rani, okay, and she was just talking, like, it was a P2C video. She was talking to the audience, and she was like, you know, a lot of people say that influencers bullshit people, and influencers are fake, or influencers are performative, okay. And she was like, if you think that me getting up in the morning, setting up my camera, having a script that I go through, talk to the people, address the people, is not me performing to some extent, then
You're
you are living
stupid.
a lie, because
Yeah.
this is, of course, a performance that I'm doing. And if you are saying this to me as an insult, then I'm sorry, you're just making an observation.
Yeah.
You're not putting me down in any way.
You're
Because
just
I
stating
am,
a fact which is true.
Exactly.
This is work for me.
This is
Yeah.
work.
This is a
Exactly.
perform. I'm an artist.
And I am sure I'm bullshitting this through to some extent, but like,
You're watching it.
you're watching it, you're consuming it.
Which is why a lot of people shit on influencers, because sometimes like influencers, like the skincare influencers, okay, they'll have like 3 new sunscreens that they're promoting within a month, which is impossible to do if you're selling authenticity.
Yeah.
Most of them, if you really go to see, they've never claimed to be authentic, like with their words or something. Most of them are not like, I'm the most authentic and the best influencer out there, you have to listen to me.
Yeah.
You can see through it.
Yeah.
You know that they're getting paid to say the name
Yeah.
of this
Brand.
blah 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 sunscreen. So
Yeah.
at this point in time, if you're acting so naive, part of it
It's on you.
is
It's
your fault.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and if
for
it's
sure.
an ad, I'm going to make it seem like an ad.
Yeah.
I don't want to make it seem
But
like
the
an
laws-
I'm going to sell the product
as it is.
as my last breath.
The laws in India, though, are not as strict as like in other countries. Like for example, if you take the US,
Yeah.
in the US, if you do a paid partnership on the internet and you don't disclose it, that's like a felony or whatever in their
Oh.
terms.
Even
Here it's
Asian
not.
countries
You
have
can.
that. Like they have like their standards. So like if a drink has a lot of is like mostly pulp, they're supposed to use like a different kind of picture on
Yeah,
the
Japan
Yeah,
is very
Japan is.
if it's not organic,
particular
they're
with that.
supposed to use a different kind of
So I
thing.
remember that I'd seen this video on YouTube Shorts where you can't have a packaged food on in a Japanese convenience store that has a product that's not the exact same size as the product inside. So my brother was in Japan and I asked him for some candy and I checked every single
piece.
candy
Yeah.
had the same whatever was outside, the same size was inside.
Yeah.
I
That's
compared
what's so sad,
every
yeah.
single one to a T. It's
Even
crazy.
with the color and everything, it's literally the same thing.
Mm. Yeah, man, that's crazy. I feel like even restaurants, for that matter, this is like a bias I hold. I don't like getting scammed by these.
I hate getting scammed at restaurants.
I hate
Yes.
getting scammed, period.
Yeah.
Restaurants feels personal, right?
Bro, first of all, I love food. And then if you're going to give me like a bite of a bite
Yeah.
and you're going to make me pay a fortune for that, fuck you.
Because sometimes like you'll go out and your split is like 2K. That could have been 2 cute tops. That could have been 2 cute tops and I ate butta.
Bitch.
I ate bhutta,
Fried bhutta.
bro. Fried bhutta I've eaten.
Chutney.
Not even the whole thing, bitch. It's just this much.
And you had 2 pieces. And I just get so mad. Like the other day, I had gone to Veronica's at
Bandra.
Kamla Mills.
Oh, okay.
Kamla Mills.
Mm.
The burger was not the same. The mushroom
Yeah,
melt
yeah.
was also like
Yeah.
kind of bland. Like I can't lie.
Yeah, people have been saying that there's a difference
Yeah.
between the
There
Bandra
is
one
a
and the Kamla
difference.
Mills one.
And then what's with some restaurants having good like beverages, like, and then not good food? Because I've
Bro.
been to restaurants where the food is like shit,
Hmm.
but the drinks are so good, like they're so yummy, and then I'm like, how do I compliment?
One way to, kind of make sure that your meal is gonna slap is if it's like a family restaurant. You're having just like Indian family.
Like that is
food.
guaranteed because the parents will come and slap the owners if it's bad. Like that's a
So
guarantee.
slapping
Yeah.
is the way to go.
I think physical violence.
We should, right? Yeah.
It resort to physical violence in restaurants. Yeah.
Do
That's-
it.
so and my dad is like, who paid the bill? Because he wasn't there. And I was like, no, we just washed dishes. Like like we refused to pay. It was so mid. It wasn't bad. I
Yeah,
wouldn't say it was
yeah.
bad, but it was so mid that sometimes if the food is bad, तुम 4 गाली देकर निकल भी जाओगे.
Huh.
Yeah.
But if it's mediocre, then you're just like in a bad mood. You've
Yeah.
paid the money and
Yeah.
you're just like,
You're half satisfied.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know.
It's like a situationship with the food.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I feel about it.
I do feel like one thing that's just this thing I really can't wrap my head around. Unlike marketing, which I can get behind, unlike any other industry I can get behind, I don't understand. On Instagram, there is this new thing that people have started doing where they are niche influencers that only make content about how to make your content work. And then they are like, if you do this, your views will be through the roof.
अपने
3
iPhone में
likes.
अपने iPhone में settings में जाकर ये 3 setting on करो.
No, but tell me why those people come to your rescue when you need that like hack.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like I have made 2 videos, one in green shirt, one in pink shirt,
Oh,
and let me see which one performs
comment
better.
which comes on your feed first.
Which comes on your feed, and they have the worst engagement.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
go to their page, and you're like, okay, this is an experiment. But the rest has to be a normal content. No, it's
It's
all
all-
experiments,
they're all
and they're not. It's such a pointless
Yeah.
thing.
They don't
Yeah.
even have enough followers. I don't understand why they do it.
Yeah.
They probably like bought some online course. No, they've bought an online course on how to do this, which in itself, online course
Online
community.
courses
I'm not talking about Coursera, etc., where you're actually building a skill. I'm talking
No,
about
the ones that come on college groups. Once you're done graduating,
Bruh,
and
I
those
like-
few
Yeah,
people
those
send those
Internship
sign up
internship
karo,
places. Yeah.
form fill karo. and
Tell them
तुमको
about that
मिलेगा.
internship that you had when we were in FYJC.
What?
Oh yeah, I had some bro. It's like a pyramid scheme.
Everybody
Yeah.
was so every. Let me tell you what had happened.
Yeah, you go on.
So this came up on our college group, and one of our friends was like, "Okay, I'm starting it." Meher. One of us was like, "Okay, I'm starting it," and then I was like, okay, what is the work? And then I heard that Aishwarya also started, and then I heard that you also wanted to start.
I
it.
will tell you how I started that.
Huh,
I
you-
remember. I have also done the work for
and
for
I
her,
saw
yes.
everybody's stories, and
Yeah.
it was the same.
Same
And I was like,
Yeah.
wait, are they asking you to do this? And they're like, yeah, this is part of the job. The part of the job was just sharing their reels and sharing their videos and their
On
posts
stories.
on
Yeah.
your stories so that other young people see, other young people follow. And they posted on their stories. It was
Yeah.
like to enter,
Cult.
you have to do this.
Yeah. Mine was
Just like fake reach. This was
Yeah.
fake reach.
Yeah.
Forwarded on like WhatsApp groups
That's
and
exactly what they
everything.
used to
Yeah.
do because
Yeah.
there was this one newsletter. They used to use such fancy words to lure these poor fucking college kids, and we used to get
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Proud
dude,
also.
newsletter on your CV.
yeah.
Imagine.
because
That
I
way-
remember-
How did you fall for it?
So I remember when I was my first year of college, everyone and their moms were doing a fucking internship. And I was like, okay, maybe I'm the loser that I've not done an internship yet because I didn't have a good opportunity. And everyone was like, oh yeah, we are doing a marketing and sales internship. What is that? You have to sell a course. To your grandfather, whether or not he takes it.
Whether or not he's dead.
Well, give it to the brave.
Yeah.
That is not my
He
problem.
is there. He's gonna
Not all
Now,
grandfathers have graves, bro.
Valid. Burn it. I don't care. Do what you want with that course. It's your course to sell.
Talking about me, babe.
भाई मैं bury तो हो गए ना अभी.
Shivuli. Yeah.
But then there was this one point, I think in my second semester or something, where I was like, shit, I feel like I'm very, very behind. So I need to get on this bandwagon. I signed up for that, and they first of all asked me to pay a fee.
Oh,
Red flag. Red flag.
How
That's
much?
all you need.
I think like some 800 or something.
No!
And as a college student, you know
That's
how
a
much
lot.
800
That
is.
was a cute top.
Yeah.
That was a cute going out top.
That's
Bro,
good
that was-
Colaba shopping.
That was like
Yeah.
Frankie for like a week.
That was more,
अरे
bro.
संजना फ्रैंकी से क्यों लिमिट कर रही है? भाई सच
I like my college Frankie, yaar.
I know.
I know, right? I know the fucking red chutney. Anyway.
Yeah.
And then I signed up for it, and they were so mean about it. They were like, "Why are you not selling?" I'm like, "Brother, I have no experience. You can't sell, which is why you're giving it to me.
Yeah.
And you're mad at me that I'm not able to
Yeah.
sell it. 1 minute, what is happening?" And then I told my dad, I was like, "Can you sell it for me?" And then he managed to give it to like one of his clients' kids.
Oh.
And that was my first sale.
Oh my god.
Fuck,
Dad
you
helped
and
me.
you, they pressurized you enough, and you got pressurized enough to you.
That's
into
how-
your
Yeah.
dad.
Hey.
You don't. You
Yeah, because I went and I remember we were all together, we were hanging out, and I was like, Sanjana, this thing I know Aishwarya's also doing it, you know, this one's also doing it, and
Yeah.
they're all doing the same thing. Don't you see that they are just doing this just to get more? And you were just like, it is what it is.
I
These
know.
are what you said, these are what internships are like.
Back
Can
then,
you
that
blame
was the
me?
whole idea of an internship.
Can you blame me? I was
Bro,
like,
I've went through something even worse. I don't know who.
No, sorry, I'm not done with
Oh,
this.
sorry, go
Sorry, a small bit. And then
Go on.
they promised us that you would get 10% of the sale you made.
Huh.
And,
Bullshit.
and then they gave me
80
some... No, that was the entry fee, na? That was the entry fee.
How much does the course cost?
Like some 1,000 or 1,500 or whatever.
Okay.
But, okay, 150, chal. That also
Huh.
they didn't give me, bro.
They didn't get.
They gave me some excuse because I had to leave early because of my exams or something, and they were like, "Oh, you're leaving halfway. That's why we can't give it to you."
What
And
the
they blatantly
They were
used
scamming
kids.
16-year-olds.
Left, right, and
They
center.
still do.
Hey,
I'm
hey,
pretty
hey.
sure. Right in front of your face, and they
If you're younger and you're watching this, like,
Yeah.
Don't
these
do
are
it, don't
not.
do
honestly,
it.
better opportunities will definitely come
Yeah.
your way. Don't
Don't
fall
do
for
this
these
BS.
scams.
Don't do
Yeah.
this
And
BS.
there's so much on the internet these days that will actually teach you how to land like better jobs. And if you have age on your side and you're still like really passionate, people that want to see it will see it.
Yeah.
Like established places and people that will give you good work will know.
And good, decent people.
Yeah.
But again, that comes with a predisposition of like privilege and living in a city that has those opportunities available.
Fair.
You
Yeah.
know?
Fair.
It is
sucks.
it's a harsh reality, but yeah.
But
Yeah.
still, like, don't fall into something or give something your entirety. If you know, like, other people are telling you that it's not good, just like, don't do it. Because honestly, we've experiences at that age. We were also like, yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
But it's not really like that. Like, imagine which internship takes money from you.
Yeah, that was like
No,
my
that
first
happens
red
in
flag.
psychology. That's
and
not
that's
not the whole basis of it, but yeah, it happens in psychology. You have to pay to internal places, but yeah, fair. You make sense. Yeah.
Yeah, so you were saying something.
Oh my god. So I don't remember who I got this thing from. So I had to basically they had some couple तो नहीं भाई कुछ 200-150 पेज था मुझे exact type करना था, right, with 0 errors. I couldn't have a spelling mistake, I couldn't have
Oh my God, I
punctuation
remember
mistake, nothing. I had to copy it exactly. I could. Okay, so we've tried all the loopholes, right?
It
Copy,
was
paste.
already
Yeah, it was a
handwritten.
doc. No, it was a doc, and I
Huh.
had to type it out in like another sheet.
Why?
It was just
And
don't ask questions. I was stupid.
Can I guess the name of the profile? It
remember.
was copywriter.
Could
Because
be.
one of my friend was doing it, and
Could
then
be,
he
could
would
be.
what do you
Yeah.
say, flexing it out like, oh, I'm a copywriter at this agency.
No, could be. I
Yeah.
see it.
That's
I
not
have
what copywriting is.
this back then copyright was taken literally. I think it was that because that's what I also thought.
Okay.
And this was my
Creative.
summer. This was like my summer project कि
Yeah.
समर में फन करेंगे. मैं अपना लैपटॉप अपनी नानी के घर लेके गई हूँ.
Uh-huh.
वहाँ
Summer
सारे मेरे
vacation.
कजन्स खेल रहे हैं, मैं और मेरी बहन वहाँ टर्न बाय टर्न ये टाइप कर रहे हैं. हमने पूरा टाइप
कितना
करके
पैसा
भेजा.
मिला?
पैसा मिला ही नहीं.
Oh, bad.
पैसा मिला ही नहीं.
Brother.
Apparently they said, oh तुम्हारी बहुत गलतियां थी. मैंने डॉग खोला वापस. There were mistakes obviously
बात
because I
कर रही
wasn't
है?
like a
One
professional
second.
typer or something. But there were errors. But ये नहीं कि मतलब तुम बिल्कुल पैसे ही ना दो.
उसने हैंड रेज किया है.
बताओ.
Could you not copy paste?
No, that's what I'm telling you. It wouldn't copy paste exact. You know how copy? No, 1 minute.
No.
1 minute. You know when you copy paste sometimes from a okay, so when you copy paste, say for example French to some other okay, iPhone people you might get this. You know when you read the script of your gallery, when you copy paste just the text, and when you copy and when you paste it, it comes into different figures. That's how it would copy paste.
Okay.
I'm not stupid to not do that.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I feel like this wasn't like, they were not predatory. They were not like getting work out of you also. I think you were genuinely getting pranked.
Could be. I don't know. It was not a prank. It was not a prank because they gave us like a POC saying if you have any doubts or something, if you have any doubts, come to us. And I messaged her. I'm like, okay, oh my god, there was a clause in the thing.
There's
If
a
you didn't-
YouTube video somewhere where you are getting pranked and you just don't know.
I agree.
No, there was a clause that said if you want your we were given 1 month and they're like if you want an extension max you will get is 10 दिन. तो मैंने अपने POC को बोला कि मुझे प्लीज 10 दिन दे दीजिए. उसने बोला हाँ ले लीजिए. मैंने 10 दिन लिया, मैंने सबमिट किया, मुझे 0 पैसे मिले उस चीज के लिए.
How much did they promise you?
I don't remember.
I think this was 8,000 or something.
I think no, it was more. It was like something between 10,000 to 20,000 के बीच में.
Oh
कुछ
no.
था. And तो imagine भाई मैं स्कूल में हूँ, मुझे इतने पैसे मिल रहे, मैं क्यों नहीं करूँगी?
ये
But ठीक
स्कूल
है
वाली
यार,
बात
थोड़ा
है.
फुद्दू. हाँ.
नहीं bro, this was I think JC or something.
Yeah.
School.
कौन
I
से
was in
स्टैंडर्ड में
school.
थी
मैं
तू?
समर वेकेशन बोल रही हूँ.
तो हमें कॉलेज में भी रहती थी.
Agreed.
चड्डी में रहे.
Agreed. But ये स्कूल की बात है. Not even college. College तो मतलब मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. I'm like मैं ये सब नहीं कर रही हूँ भाई, जाने दे.
तू करती कौन सी?
नहीं किया है.
कुछ नहीं, उसका वो वाला फेज अब तक चल रहा है. वो उसके साथ एक बार प्रैंक हुआ था. बस ये अभी तो मैं कुछ टाइप नहीं करूंगी कभी भी. मेरी हो गई टाइपिंग.
मैं बन गई कॉपीराइट.
दिमाग खराब हुआ था भाई.
बट तू वो भी तो करती थी, वो साइकोलॉजी वाले कोर्स बेचना या
तू करती थी ये सब?
मैंने
कोर्स
नहीं
पे
किया
तो
है.
सेम ही है.
नहीं,
अबे वो एक
वो-
भाई तो यार वो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद
हाँ.
हुआ था. मैं वही
Graduation के बाद.
ग्रेजुएशन के बाद नहीं.
Graduation के time.
12th के बाद जब दे आस्क यू टू चेंज, मतलब यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट साइंस में जाना है, आर्ट्स में जाना है, जिसमें भी जाना है, कॉलेज वगैरह, तब की बात है ये.
अरे
तू क्या
नहीं,
करती थी?
those places which give like of यार वो कॉलेज के लिए एसेस लिखते हैं ना, ट्रांसक्रिप्ट वगैरह.
हाँ तो वो तो एक्चुअल जॉब थी, वो इंटर्नशिप थी मेरी. उसका एक्चुअल ऑफिस था, उसका इंस्टाग्राम पेज भी है, मेरे पास ऑफर
पैसे
लेटर
मिले?
भी है. हाँ.
ओह.
कितने मिले?
पता नहीं भाई.
भाई तू तेरे पैसे जाते कहाँ है? तू खर्चती तो नहीं है?
किसके जेब में पता नहीं. उसके जेब में तो नहीं जाता.
जेल में. नहीं, देखा जाए तो एक तिजोरी पैसों का जेल ही हुआ
डीप.
है ना? Think about it. You could have spent it. I think more you spend, more you earn.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have a question for the culture.
हाँ बताओ.
Do you think tarot videos are a scam? or
Don't
not?
Real है.
even-
Real है.
Shut up.
नहीं मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ.
up. हाँ,
It
thank you,
is
dear.
directly correlated to my mental health right now.
Yes.
And अभी तो अरे I did not tell you guys this because we haven't hung out. You know what? I started getting like really pissed off at my feed. I like astrology, so they think I like tarot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now if I have like 5-6 tarot card readings with 3-4 parts each, okay, on my feed
You're
all
watching
the
all the
time.
parts?
Yeah, nah, because they
fair,
hook you.
fair,
Because they hook you,
yeah.
and I'm not doing well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what if in the start they say that oh you're not compatible with him, but fifth path he's like he's
You
your
are.
soulmate.
He's your soulmate, exactly.
I have to
और
तुम्हारी शादी हो गई है.
मेरा एक rule भी है कि about anything about life I'm not gonna agree
at
with the
it.
tarot.
Yeah.
but things about boys, because I want to not care about that as much, that I'll believe. Chalo, koi baat nahi. But about like job and family and health and everything, I don't
Same,
listen.
I don't fuck with that.
Like, because that's really scary.
That's
Yeah.
real. Yeah.
It's real and it's really scary. Boys are just like toys right now.
Ooh,
So it's
fun. Pass.
thanks, yeah. So I saw it was a lot of tarot about boys, and then it was a lot of just women, like middle-aged women that have been fed up with boys, that are just like, men are like this and men are like that, and you know, this is how to lure a man, this is how to keep a man, and if your man is doing this, and if just a lot of dating advice that I
Yeah.
was just like, I'm not at that point. I'm not even dating anybody. I'm not even talking to anybody. I'm just I've come with so many preconceived notion. I can never give anybody a shot.
Yeah.
In small doses, okay, it's important content, but you
Yeah.
cannot get swept away into this. And I really
Absolutely.
clocked that, and I had a huge purge. I did not interested in all of those videos.
Wow.
Just
Yes.
particularly went, and I did not interested. Now I feel like I have my doom scrolling has reduced to almost zero. It is so much fun to be on my feed these days, and those tarot videos like sometimes even creep up now. But like now I'm like, after not interested also, if they're creeping up, then they mean something.
It's a sign.
Then it's a sign.
And then you know
Yeah.
what lure me even more is when
Yeah.
they're like, there's no hashtags, no nothing.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
coming
You
for
naturally-
you.
It'll have 2 likes. It'll have 2 likes.
Yeah, and you know something?
This is for me.
This is
Yeah.
made thinking in mind that Sanjana's going to watch this at 9:38 p.m.
Yeah.
After.
No, because sometimes they mention things like if you're wearing blue color, if you're wearing green
Yeah.
color,
And then
if
I
you
will-
see 5, 7, 8 somewhere,
And then I'm like, yeah, my chaddi's blue.
I will find a blue flower on my chaddi for you.
The worst is your phone's in your right hand.
And you're on your side. And I'm like,
Yeah.
bitch, I'm always on my side. So what about?
today only I saw a tarot reel which said that there's one millionaire man who's in love with you secretly, and he's not going to come up until you're like fully ready. So you cannot cross your hands, and cannot cross your legs. I was in the office, my legs were like this, my hand was like, and then I was like, nahi, आना तो चाहिए इस बंदे को, मैं
I
free
won't
बैठी हूँ.
believe it unless I can identify with one of the characters that they are talking about. So
Okay.
if they're
Yeah.
like, oh, it's been 3 weeks, you haven't talked to him. He's actually thinking about you a lot. He's
Yeah.
thinking, but he knows he can't end up with you. So then he's just, lost, and he's gonna come back. But
Yeah.
not now. He's gonna come back much later
When you least expect it.
When you
Yeah.
least expect it.
And
Yeah.
it's one of these 2 videos that always come to me. It's either one man from your past who's like thinking about you secretly.
Yeah,
and he's
yeah,
like-
yeah.
And the second
You know the man! You just do!
and I don't want to know that man.
I literally don't. I hate him. I left him for a
less
reason.
about him.
I left him for a fucking reason.
I was so right in leaving him. Please be in my past.
Yeah.
And then the second kind is there are 2 men who are fighting for you.
Yeah. Yeah. There are 2 men.
Why can I picture the tarot?
It's gotten so ridiculous that I've had somebody say there are 2 men, but they will both not reach out to you. They are in love with you. They will both not reach out to you.
With each other. But tell me why, whenever
Yeah.
there is like a, intuition test,
Yeah.
which color is this ball?
Yes or no?
Why is it always purple and why do I always guess?
No. I've seen sometimes it's turquoise, sometimes jade.
Orange,
Green also,
green.
yeah.
My purple one has always somehow it's just always been very accurate.
Because it's
And
your favorite color.
it's
One
not-
of your
it's
favorite
not my
colors.
favorite color.
Yeah, not
Fair,
right now.
yeah. But
Yeah,
like-
it's red.
Stop flirting with me.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I know that there's so much bullshit in those videos, but I will always.
It's all
buy it.
bullshit.
But the
So
thing is,
much
I
always
know
buy
it's
it.
bullshit for sure, because I feel like they never say, good you left him. They will never say that. Or like,
Yeah.
good you did this. Or like, I know that you did it on, like, this was a good choice. They will never say it
Yeah,
was a
they'll
good
basically
choice.
feed into your
Delusion.
yeah.
They feed off of that.
They'll
Fair.
make you second guess so that the
Yeah.
next video you see, you'll also see it.
Yeah.
And then the next.
And then it's a cycle that never
Cycle.
ends.
It's a
Yeah.
cycle.
But one thing that I really like when I consume those videos is that they said that good thing that you are not reaching out, you don't have to reach out. It just keeps me like, yes.
That's what they say to you?
Imagine that
They always tell me to reach
No,
out.
1 minute.
They never tell me to reach out.
They never tell you to reach out.
Never.
That's the thing. राइट मुझे सेम फीड आ रहा है, वो बंदे को भी अगर सेम आ रहा है तो फिर रीच आउट कर ही नहीं
बंदे
रहा ना
को
कोई।
that's the thing, वो बंदे को कुछ नहीं आ रहा।
हाइपोथेटिकली अगर हम दोनों को यही आ रहा है कि रीच आउट नहीं करने गए, तो फिर ये रील का मतलब मैं क्या करूंगी रीडिंग का?
बंदे के फीड पे पता है क्या आ रहा है? गो टू जिम, वर्कआउट, लिसन टू योर
उसके feed पे आ रहा है
हैंग आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, ये आ रहा है।
Yeah, she don't be in office, build your own empire, वो आ रहा है उसके feed में।
हाँ,
But my
literally.
question is, if he's getting that reel, then why is he listening to another woman? He should not
Valid.
listen to her and reach out to you.
Valid.
That's my argument.
I agree.
So you think all tarot people are ladies?
That's what I've gotten.
Yeah, that's what I've also got. I've never gotten a man.
I've never gotten a man.
Wait.
Never.
Wait, is this the only industry there is that is not infiltrated by men in any capacity?
Maybe.
I've seen one too. I've seen manifestation a lot of guys doing.
Nahin,
now.
Tarot specific.
Tarot
Tarot
specifically, I've
one
never
two
come
I've
across a man.
seen.
Wow.
One
I've
two
never
I've
seen a man
seen for
also
sure.
for like a
Me
manifestation
neither.
video. That's very
I've actually
weird.
never seen a man.
Valid. That
Men are a concept to me.
they're an idea.
But yeah, a floating thought.
Men, unicorns,
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus,
See, Santa Claus is real.
Bigfoot. Santa Claus is real?
Okay, but like apart from all this, something like really scary bullshitting that we have been facing for years, women especially, is the pink tax markup.
Yeah.
So this is
Definitely.
like beyond insanity to me. For anyone who does not know what a pink tax markup is, it's anything or any commodity that females pay an extra price just because it's pink in color or it's like
A
catered
feminine
to
product.
feminine taste. So a lot of things like your sanitary pads, your tampons. I genuinely think because this is like a biological need. This is like a necessity at this point.
It's for your like hygiene, and it's like
It's for
also
your survival.
fair.
This shouldn't be justified.
Yeah.
That's all
why-
I'm gonna say.
yeah,
It shouldn't be
exactly.
justified.
Yeah, why are we paying such a high price for this?
Yeah.
It's like beyond my understanding. If you go to see the amount of money that we are spending every month
Yeah.
for something that's biological, it's literally
would-
insanity.
I would go as far as to say that the amount of money that we spend just because we've been put in this box by the society that we're supposed to look a certain way, be a
Yes.
certain way, is also
They're
insane.
feeding off of
Yeah.
that
I
insecurity.
can't. I literally can't wrap my head around the fact that I've paid upwards of 2.5k for a haircut.
Yes.
No, I know. One minute.
fucking
One
mad.
minute.
Yeah.
I'm also gonna say I get it, but it makes sense because you only get your haircut once, as opposed to men.
I
they
don't
get it
think
cut.
Haircuts should cost that much in
Okay.
general.
Okay. Fair.
Yeah.
Fair.
See, I also get
It's
when
skill labor. I'm not saying no.
valid.
Yeah,
valid.
okay,
But then if
that
you're,
fair.
if you're marking a woman's haircut to be that much, the male haircut
It's
should
a
also be
it's a
marked.
Yes.
30-minute job. Let me tell you.
Correct.
Male or female. In fact, male like haircuts, they're so much more complicated.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And, you know, like, okay, I will also still listen to someone when they say that women have longer hair, women have different styles
Style.
of hair cutting. I
Yeah.
will still buy that. There was this one time I had gone to a very, very local salon to get my bangs cut.
Yeah.
She charged me 500 for that.
Oh,
For like this
just
much.
the bangs.
And I was like, ever since I started cutting my hair on my own.
I was
Like, my bangs
once
my
मेरा भी किया तूने?
I was once out of like shorts to wear under a dress. I don't know if they were in the laundry or something. And then I went up on Zepto, like Blinkit or something, and I was like looking for shorts. All the girl shorts, like at least 800, 900. So then I was like, first of all, I don't think the women's sizes would be inclusive to fit all of this. So then I was like, let me look at the male ones. Bro, like 300 for a pack of two.
Yes. 250, 150. Yes.
Boxers.
Yeah.
Dude,
Cute ones.
even their chaddis and like
Their
their banyans
underwears,
and stuff
yes.
is so cheap.
Bro, a Prada chaddi is lesser valued than a Victoria's Secret set.
What the fuck?
That's
Yeah.
insane.
No,
I also
The ulta, you mean?
No.
A Victoria's
Prada
Secret set
set
is more
more
expensive
expensive
than a
than a-
Calvin Klein chaddi or a Prada chaddi.
कैल्विन क्लाइन तो कुछ भी नहीं है भाई.
Yeah.
कैल्विन क्लाइन तो सभी पहनते हैं. But yeah, Prada की चड्डी is also like less expensive than
okay.
Victoria's Secret का full set. I don't know. I don't understand why we are paying such a higher price.
Yeah.
But even for gym bags, you know, there is this. I wish I will send screenshots to the team. There was this gym bag that I had purchased from Nike. The black one was for 3,999 and the pink one was for 5,999.
It was the
That's
same
a
thing.
double.
That's
Literally the
mad.
same
That
thing.
is
Like the zip is the
insane.
same, the logo is the
Just
same.
the color.
It's just the color. Absolutely
Yeah.
nothing else. Just the
Yeah,
color.
But recently, I beat the system. If you guys, I don't think I told you I made the switch yet, but I was getting a lot of reels about like single blade razors
literally gonna say
on
that.
my feed, and I was like, what harm does it do? Like, I found
Mm-hmm.
a single blade reusable stainless steel razor, because also I
That's
found
good.
that where I was keeping my razors, they were catching rust very
Rust,
quickly.
yeah.
Yeah.
So then I was like, there's no reason. If there's even a little bit of rust, I'm not gonna use it
Of
again. So
course.
then I would just throw them away, and they would cost me like what $400 a
Month.
piece.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, I'm spending a lot of money on this, so let me try this. I got the razor, the reusable razor, for I think less than 150 from Amazon. The razor is weighted, it's stainless steel, it will never get rusted, and the blades cost me not more than 70 rupees for a pack of 10.
Oh my
That's
god.
mad.
And you have to put
Damn.
Yeah.
one blade
Yeah,
in it.
yeah.
Now, granted, it is difficult to snap.
Maneuver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
it's difficult to like. Sorry, it's easy to cut yourself with
Oh,
it
okay,
more.
yeah.
There's a learning curve to it, but it's the smoothest shave I've ever gotten. Because if you go to think about it, one blade, two blade, and then three blades you have, and they cut the same hair thrice.
3 times,
So then there's more chances of you getting ingrown hair.
Razor burn.
If there's only one blade
Yeah.
that's going through one side and then second side, it's the smoothest shave you will get.
Yeah.
And then I think I also bought aloe vera gel that cost me $100. So this is like less than the cost of one razor
Yeah.
that I was
Woman's
using.
razor.
That I'm not going to have to repurchase anything for this routine for another at least 6 months, and that is like if I shave every week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't. We don't shave.
I
every
don't
week.
shave
You know, a
every
lot
week.
of like girls, especially growing up, like I mean, your moms, if they didn't buy you like the razors, because you know, when you're growing up, you wanted to like have smooth arms, but you were still not allowed to do that. And a lot of women used their dad's razors.
Yeah. I've also
Yeah.
used
Yeah,
it.
even I have. And
You can use.
the same razor will, even if there's like a minuscule difference between the price of a woman's razor and a man's razor, there still is a difference.
Yeah.
And I'm like, it's literally just pink.
In fact, I feel.
Yes.
Literally. I
In
was
fact, I
just
feel like
thinking of that.
it glides through your skin better, a man's razor, because it moves.
It's also-
And
And
they've
they're
got to use
supposed
it on
to-
their face.
Yeah, they're made to cut through a lot of thicker
Thick
hairs
hair.
compared to the ones on your arms and your
Yeah.
पैर फिर भी ठीक है, but your arms are like
Yeah.
comparatively much
You
more
know.
thinner.
Yeah.
I was just
So
thinking about
the
that.
women razors thing, it all came when the men had stopped using razors as much. That's when the razor companies were like, oh, we gotta like have
Bank on women. now.
yeah, we gotta sell these. So then they started painting a picture that women who have hair looked ugly, or it's not
Yeah.
very ladylike
Yeah.
for them to have hair even beneath, because women are wearing skirts, like long skirts, so unke pair to dikh nahi rahe, but still like under those skirts, if she has like hair on her body,
Yeah.
it's not very
And like
ladylike.
back in the day, like the bush was a thing.
And she's coming back.
George.
And she's coming back.
The bush is coming back.
The bush is
The
coming.
bush is back.
But if you notice, even in Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, when she was working in that beauty store, they always had to wear stockings. And even if you see old videos of air hostesses, they had to have stockings. And it was because not everyone was getting their shit waxed all the time, but they had to look hairless. And if their stockings had a tear or anything, that was not allowed.
that was
Yeah.
not okay.
That was
yeah.
not okay.
And like even like back in the day, a lot of women had hair on their arms, and that was not a problem. And that's my whole issue with like marketing, is that there won't be a problem.
Yeah.
They'll create a problem
create
and
a
then create a solve for it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, sorry, they already have a solve for a problem that doesn't exist.
I literally
Yeah.
saw this girl in the gym, and she's got this like hot bod, okay, and she's just flexing, and then she flexes, and there's hair in her armpits. and I was like, oh my god, I literally love the fact that she's put this out, but I was scared to open the comments. I was like, if this reaches the wrong people,
yeah.
And it always does.
And it
it's
always
so sad.
does.
It happens with celebrities also, you know, when they're like at an event and, you know, they're like posing a certain way and they'll have like those tiny hair that, you know, the second day after you shave,
Really, who gives
people are bashing those women left, right, center, and I'm like, what for? It's hair.
Yeah, I know.
The way
Valid.
it pisses me off.
Yeah.
I'm laughing right now, but I'm pissed off.
No, fair.
I'm pissed off.
Yeah.
I feel what's a bigger bullshit or like a bigger way of brainwashing you is corporate culture, bro. It's
Yeah.
like I
Yeah.
cannot wrap my head around it.
Yeah.
Why the fuck is everyone leaving their house at 8:30, going to the office at 9? Some people leaving their house at 6:30
Yeah.
because the office is like so far away. Reaching the office at 9, leaving the office at 5 or 6, whatever. Why was this decided that 8 or 9 hours you have to work a day?
Yeah.
Like, why was this concept never about getting the job done?
Yeah.
The things that you're assigned for.
Yeah.
Why can't you just get your work done, shit done, and then leave for the day?
Yeah.
True. It's so funny you bring this up because I was literally talking to my colleague, Sharat Gautami. And she has a lawyer friend, and we had gone to her house the other day, and the lawyer friend was not at home. It was just me and Gautami at her house. And this poor girl, she had gone to work, like, let's say today in the morning at 10 a.m. Like yesterday 10 a.m. and today at like 1 a.m. she has come back. So she's been at work for more than 24 hours. She has slept
What?
there.
But yeah,
She has-
honestly, yeah.
And the reason why she also slept there is because she finished work at like 2-3 a.m. in the morning, which is fucking ridiculous
It's
to
fuck
me.
all,
Because
bro.
what do you mean?
That's unfathomable.
That is what do you mean by that? Anyway, and then she was
Yeah.
like, I can't come home because I have an early meeting the other day.
That's
the next
bullshit.
day.
That is bullshit in its truest sense.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I know what, like, one of my closest friends was working in a Big Four as her first job, consulting, and they had seasons where they had to do something called like closing an account
Yeah.
or something,
Mhm.
and those weeks she would not be like, she would take a suitcase to work. She would take a suitcase to work. There were rooms.
Yeah, rooms is
There were rooms
Yeah.
where they would nap for a couple of hours. They had to get back to work. She has showered in office.
Yeah.
That's a thing.
Yeah, even my
There's
sister-
no reason. I know office
Yeah.
में coffee machine है. I know office में snacks है. Office में दोस्त भी है. Office में चाय सुट्टा है. सब है. But निकलो.
भाई मेरे
Yeah,
ऑफिस में तो माइक्रोवेव भी नहीं है.
But
That's-
even
that's
my
sad.
sister, when she was doing her law internship a couple of years, I think last year or something, her office was in Colaba. It wasn't that far. It wasn't a huge commute issue for her.
Yeah.
So she would leave the house like an hour before her office timing. So for example, she would leave the house at say 7. She would literally come home at like 11. And this was for a month straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
My-
lawyers have a lot of workload.
Yeah.
No, yes, and she's not वो office में नहीं बैठी है. आज ये court, वो
वो
court,
court.
and
Yeah.
these courts are all across South Bombay, and
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
have to go because
Yeah.
date आया है, तो you have
And
to
there's
appear
so
on the
many
court.
stairs. There is so many
Yeah, like in those
stairs.
old
She would
ass
wear
buildings
like
don't even have
sports
lifts.
shoes.
Yeah.
She would wear like sports shoes under
Yeah.
Like,
a
the-
full
I know.
I find
blazers
like
outfit.
bureaucracy in general is such bullshit. Like, I hate like a bureaucratic system, but then again, the alternative is for us to be in a different system that might
Yeah.
also have its ups and downs. No system
Yeah.
will obviously be
foolproof.
be
Yeah.
perfect.
True.
Although I
But
think
like-
bureaucracy in general, like, don't ask me to fill out a fucking form, bro.
Exactly.
What
One
the-
more.
Asking me to
What
fill
the
the same
fuck are
address
the-
10 times. Remember it.
Unnecessary, so fucking unnecessary. And what the fuck are these meetings for? This could have just been a text on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Why are you
Definitely.
wasting everyone's time and calling people to the
True.
fucking office, which is closer to your house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you feel like, if you at all, if you're young and you feel like you've not seen struggle, and if you're like, oh my god, my parents gave me such a good life, I don't know what struggle is like, literally go to a government office and try to retrieve an old document.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Just do
उतना भी-
that for one day.
उतना भी करने की जरूरत नहीं, तुम SBI जाओ, हो जाएगा तुम्हारा.
हाँ.
और वो भी लंच टाइम के टाइम पे, like 1 to 4.
Or like go to get your passport updated or like your Aadhaar card updated.
पासपोर्ट तो छोड़,
मजा आ
passport
रहा
की
है.
तो बात ही नहीं
Leave
कर
it, babe,
सकते.
it's okay. About like people like back in the day, okay?
Segue.
I think people were so weird in general, okay?
Bro, people are weird now.
Ah,
Weird.
bro.
I mean, but the likelihood of us saying it about the people back in the day is more right now because we are still living it. So we
हाँ,
don't
तो
know
वो तो
where
नहीं
we
Yeah,
are.
बोल सकते
hindsight is 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is that funny, babe?
I'm talking about like the 80s and like 90s and stuff, okay? Like
Yeah.
even before that.
Yeah.
People were so like batshit. Actually, even before that, people were so batshit crazy that when a lot of women, or like for that, actually women mostly, when women had like headaches, or like when they were going through like
They were hysterical.
feeling tired or whatever.
Yeah.
They used to feel
Hysteria
into
was a real. So, in previous versions of the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual
Yeah.
for Mental Disorders, which is made by the American Psychological Association, people like American Psychological Association is so influential. It's literally APA. If you've ever cited it,
Yeah.
cited anything in APA,
APA.
that's where it comes
Comes
from. So it's a fucking influential organization, and they have basically made this manual for diagnostic and statistical what did I say? So that- the DSM, basically the DSM
Manual.
and the DSM manual, and there's been 5 versions of it, 5.5. And one of the versions literally had hysteria as a mental disorder for just women, and it was nothing but, yeah, it only happened to women. It was nothing
Yeah.
but PTSD. It was nothing but
like
certain no, not just headaches.
Okay.
Just certain things that women did that men did not find like
serious
okay to deal with
enough.
were just those. They were just she nags, she complains, she cries.
Oh my god.
This is just some things that men, if they would have spoken to their wives and made her feel
They would have
heard,
known. Yeah.
they would have been okay.
Yeah.
Because
Or-
we think women are going through it now. Imagine 40 years ago
Yeah.
what what the fuck they were going
Yeah,
through.
and
Exactly.
we at
Yeah.
least have like I feel like even back in the day they probably did speak to their female friends, but they were also brainwashed. And suppose I spoke to you, you would tell me that no, you're crazy for speaking on your
Yeah.
emotions.
Like you were a bad influence.
You were a bad
Yeah.
influence.
on
There's
her.
something wrong with you.
Yeah.
You're cursed. Like you need to see
Yeah.
a doctor or a witch.
That's
Yeah.
why I avoid like witches. Of course, they burned witches at the stake.
Yeah.
Like if you were a woman that would do their own thing and you would decide to be a spinster, then society would literally ask you. That's why I avoid using the term hysteria, because it comes from hysterical, because it comes from hysteria, and that only means this woman is mad and she's crying and she's crazy.
Yeah.
That's where hysterical comes from. She's
Yeah.
she's hysterical.
Um,
You never hear he's hysterical.
Yeah.
Nobody ever
Yeah,
says
yeah.
he's hysterical,
mhm.
because that's not what they are. They're just
Yeah.
alpha.
Yeah.
They would also go through the same fucking thing if their bodies were experiencing even 1/4 of whatever we experience every single
I
month.
saw this one show on Netflix years ago. It was called Ratchet, and this was set up in a mental health asylum. Not mental health. तभी तो 80s में था, तो मतलब
A mental asylum.
a mental asylum. And it was about this nurse that was working in this mental asylum, and they actually, the things that they used to do, and this is real, like people thought homosexuality was a mental disorder. So the way that they some unethical places actually cured it was boiling the person in hot water.
Yeah.
So they would slowly like put them in like a warm bath, and they would heat it up while they're in the water.
Yeah.
And they would just heat them up until it was just too hot to handle. And they were white people, the white actors at least in this show. They used to come out red. They actually showed a real life lobotomy. And
Yeah.
lobotomies are you think, oh, I need such I'm so crazy. I literally
Yeah,
only a lobotomy can help me
Yeah.
right now. Like we say that.
That's not funny.
It used to happen.
They
I
did
know,
that.
that's what I'm saying. It's not funny.
They
Yeah.
did that. And what is a
Yeah.
lobotomy
And-
is basically
A whole like the
Mm.
create a hole in your skull, right? to
Not
cure
even
it.
so I think that's one way that they used to do it. Another way that they used to do it, at least the one that I saw in this series called Ratchet, was basically the idea is that your frontal lobe is somewhere situated right here. It deals with your memories. So if you move shit around inside, some memories will be erased. Okay, now there is no control of what gets erased. It's just every time that happened, the woman would be, mostly women would be like calmer.
Yeah.
So just, and the way that they did it in this show particularly
Which
was
show is this?
Ratchet.
Okay.
It's on
I'm
Netflix.
gonna watch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is they took a pole
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay.
I know this.
up the eye and then moved it around. And through the skull, by the way.
Yeah.
Through the skull inside, and they move shit around.
Yeah, and also like coming to back to my point where I said
Yeah.
like if you had a headache, to cure a headache, they would also perform a lobotomy, and of course the systems were not as advanced as they are
Yeah.
today, so it used to be unhygienic, unsterilized.
Yeah.
Like,
I think
were the
also a
most
reason why
unprofessional
the it wouldn't be possible to move it from this top is that they did not know how to stitch the brain up better.
That's what I'm saying.
Like
The
as
wood would
well
be
as we
left
do
open.
now.
So like the cure that women would go through afterwards is just that they're fucked.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're fucked.
They're fucked and they can't think rationally anymore, which is why they're cured.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there
If
was
you've ever watched
nothing.
BoJack Horseman, for anyone who's watched it, BoJack Horseman's mom, जब भी BoJack Horseman past में जाता है और उसकी mom का कुछ भी, that's like basically what a hysterical woman used to look like. For anyone that was wondering,
Yeah.
but I think also when you spoke about this 80s and everything, I was just like I just never am able to take that time seriously, is because women's bras were pointy as hell.
Yeah.
And that's my biggest pet peeve in a bra,
Yeah.
when a
Yeah.
bra is pointy.
Pointy.
But that was a huge trend back then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like to have pointy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're not as pointy now, but they're like a pyramid. And
They're a pyramid.
yeah.
They're like cones, bro.
Yeah.
Proper.
And like to think that
Like Komal Pandey can do it, I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
fair.
Yeah.
And like, you know, now is when like
Yeah.
I think it's coming back when a lot of Skims also sells a
Sells,
bra
yeah,
which has
with
like nipples
nipples
out.
out.
Like before that, like a few years ago, I remember we used to not want our tits to be seen
Seen,
at all. Like
yeah,
it used to,
yeah.
I wanted it to be as smooth as possible. I didn't
Yeah.
want there to be
Yeah.
the slightest
Yeah.
point
Yeah.
on my tits.
Yeah.
So that's weird.
That is weird, but that's the thing. With like these things, women especially, like they are all trends and they all come back. Like
Yeah.
Body types, bro.
body types. The bush is coming
Yeah.
back.
Body hair.
Having a bush is used to be like retro. That's a retro look,
Yeah.
but it's really like you know.
True,
Normal.
And fucking body types. I remember back when we were in school and like looking at Kylie Jenner and Kim's butt and it being like the biggest thing. Now BBLs have become so accessible that now we are seeing cheap BBLs that are dropping, and now people are like, oh shit, now it's gone to the poor people. Now butts are no longer cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the same thing that happened, and I know this
Yeah.
is not in line with like,
Yeah.
no, actually, this is like the same thing that happened with caviar. It was
Yeah.
first
Yeah.
peasant food,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then because of it having
being
to take,
rare.
it
Yeah.
being rare, and then
Yeah.
the travel from the coastal places to the palace was so far away, which is why it needed to be taken special care of, and that's why the rich people were like, okay, it's
We
going to
can
be,
afford
we
it,
can
yeah.
afford it,
We can
we're
afford
going to
it.
be able to afford the maintenance of it, which is why
Yeah.
it's going to be. But like if you think about it, it's like eggs,
It's
and, like,
disgusting.
raw
Fish eggs.
fish eggs, and short.
But people have
delicacy.
Fish eggs, even
I mean,
yeah,
yeah,
small
but others-
regional
yeah.
Yeah.
Correct, but
food
for it to be
items.
sold at such an exorbitant
Price.
price, is
Marketing it as a luxury
mad.
thing is insane. Yeah.
is mad.
There was
yeah.
a reel which I had seen today morning which said that people are going to make electricity so cheap that only the rich will light the candles. People are going to make AI so cheap that only the rich will use their brains. People are going to make internet so cheap that only real people will have real connections and get
look
together.
at what? That's the same thing that's happening with
Literally-
Zuckerberg's kid.
Yeah.
There was
Yes.
an article that came out which said that Zuckerberg's kid doesn't use AI.
He
as
can't
much.
have screens.
He can't have
can't have screens. Look, oh my god, if
Zuckerberg
you've
had
ever
his phone taped camera, like both sides.
That's mad. I didn't
Yeah,
know
he
that.
does not use his camera on the phone. It's insane.
If you've ever if you're new to this city, Bombay, and if you feel like there's just nothing fun to do because everything costs money, and you're like, I can only go to a restaurant and have food, and that also costs money. The things where you don't eat that would be recreational also cost like exorbitant amount.
Exactly.
Look at NMAC.
That's
Look at NMAC. That's the 1/3 place we have now. The
So
1/3
true.
place we have, and we have PDP. Don't go there. Don't go to PDP. Yeah, I'm not even gonna tell you the full form, so that it's fucking there still. It's hidden.
But
Keep that
yeah,
fucking
and
hidden.
It's so funny because I literally saw a reel which
Yeah.
spoke about this. You know,
Yeah.
okay, in metro cities in India, especially like
Yeah.
your Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, whatever.
Yeah.
Even if a third space exists, only the rich can access it.
Yeah.
The only experiences that you can have in any of these cities
Yeah.
is go to a restaurant and eat, which is also so fucking expensive.
Yeah.
The same thing, my brother had sent this reel to me, okay, and he was like, it's so funny because I do the same thing in Canada.
Yeah.
And he's like, sure, there are more parks or whatever, but those also come at a price.
Yeah.
The parks come at a price. What's the
Yeah.
entry for a park?
I don't
usually?
know. I don't know. But like, even over here, and like for that matter, even in Colaba, there's this park.
Badwar Park.
I'm
It's right here.
not sure. But like, वहाँ पर जाने के लिए also you need to pay. Like
$25. I know for Badwar Park is 25.
Oh, I'm not sure.
अपने
But
घर के
like,
पास
But
जो है,
still, the
वहाँ पर
fact
नहीं
that it's
है.
behind a paywall.
exactly.
The fact,
Yeah.
So like,
there's
people-
lots of people that could really use a park that can't spare $25.
And bro, that's my point. So the only experience that you're having is also going to an overpriced restaurant if you want to have a proper experience.
It's all
unless
it's
you
all
want to come to the
like
city to
become monetary. You can't have an experience without spending money.
Yeah,
You can't
unless
also
you
do a
want to
thing
come
in
to
these parks, by the way. You cannot eat in
Yeah.
these parks.
You,
Yeah.
and some places prohibit like clicking photos also.
Clicking
so you don't even
photos.
to have a memory also you need to like
Pay a price.
Yeah.
Pay a price.
The saxophones are getting louder.
They have been loud this entire episode.
But the thing about like body types and everything, it's so fuck all to think that your body is not like your body is not tea at any point in time, because just wait long enough and your body will be the shit.
Yeah.
Your exact body will be the shit. You just a matter of time.
That's the thing, right? I feel like even with the whole diet culture, I've never bought into that culture. And apart from the fact that I don't buy into it, I also feel like it's such a scary thing to give into, because
Yeah.
sure, it might work for some people if you do it in moderation, but I'm just scared about the shit that is being sold to us in the name of health
Yeah.
Yeah.
and just like a healthier lifestyle, or like
Yeah.
you do this and you're gonna lose weight
Yeah.
naturally
in a month,
It
or
is-
like in a month.
Yeah.
It is so scary to me that these people are banking on my body dysmorphia. These people are literally banking on my mental health
On
issues.
your insecurities.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we are letting them do that. I still somewhere having the awareness also. I'm
Get
letting
into it.
I-
Yeah.
I cannot help it now. As Zia mentioned, like the skinny is back. I literally got myself a personal trainer, and then I was like, I want to be lean. I want to be as lean as I can. And now I'm just eating protein every single day. And it's absolutely shit. I do not like it one bit, but it's just because I want to be that way.
Yeah, and I think that's how this industry also is thriving for so long, because if you see the people that can afford a culture or a lifestyle like this are not, unfortunately, they are a certain type of people who can afford this, because a set of people who were of a lower stature than this would not, first of all, they would just call out this bullshit and be like, one, we can't afford this, and two, this is outright bullshit.
Yeah.
They know who they're targeting with this, and
Yeah.
these people are not uneducated. They very well know the trap that they're falling into, but they still go into it
Yeah.
fully well knowing what they're signing up for.
Half of the time
Yeah.
they will fall to it is because
Everyone
to
else is
show
doing
their
it.
class.
FOMO.
Yeah.
To show their
FOMO.
class, because okay, I can buy this diet plan, and I can
Yeah.
afford to eat protein, and I can afford to have this
Pilates.
but Pilates and these classes and Soul Cycle and these
Yeah, run
Did
clubs.
you run clubs? Did you know that a Pilates class is gonna run you upwards of 1,500 for an hour?
Dude, I have paid 2,700 for one session. And the
That'd
one
be
session
45
is 45 minutes.
to
Yes.
an hour.
Yeah.
And
So,
you're
yeah.
not gonna go alone. You're gonna call your girlfriends and you're gonna make a day out of it. And you're
It's gonna
gonna
be a
wear,
girl date.
you're gonna wear an aloe set that
Yeah.
has cost you 20K. And if you don't, then you're lame and you're poor.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you saying, bro?
If you
fit
don't
in.
get a cereal bowl after that, or if you don't get like an
Acai
Acai
bowl,
Sorry,
matcha,
sorry,
You don't get an
cereal.
What are you doing?
Like now though, you can't post an avocado toast on your story because they
That's lame.
made it $60 on Zepto. And
Everyone can afford it.
everyone can afford an avocado now. So it's no
Yeah.
longer cool.
It's no
But
longer-
what is cool? What's green and cool? Matcha.
Matcha.
Matcha is green and cool, but coffee? Wait, you could have gotten that in third wave.
I swear.
So-
Someone was like, I saw a girl, and this is of course everywhere around
Yeah.
reasons. They were like, I saw a girl with a coffee, a cigarette, not a vape, and she was cussing, and my what's the word? No, my belief in humanity, or like came back, and I was
Like somebody
yes.
having a shitty like a chai and a sutta.
Yeah.
yeah.
At
Yeah.
the tapri.
Had the tapri. And
Yeah.
just being like, I
There
was
is
tooth
still
diya hai
hope.
mera.
Hmm.
Yeah. Boss tooth diya hai, mujhe batao. Please. I want to know. Well, I also
Valid.
want to know what we can ask them to comment this week. Because we've spoken about so many
much.
things.
Yeah.
Comment the green celery emoji.
Celery.
Or whatever.
Is that a
green
matcha?
leafy
Is that a
vegetable.
matcha
Matcha?
emoji?
I don't
One thing
think.
that just was brushed under the rug was like boba. No one's talking about boba anymore.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah,
I'm glad
so
it's gone.
Put a bunch of boba they made an emoji.
yeah,
they made an
they
emoji.
did.
I think matcha's on the way, brand.
Yeah,
Matcha's
sure.
there
definitely
is a
on the way.
green tea emoji. Well, maybe that's hot matcha. But anyway, comment a bunch of boba tea emojis
wow.
down in the comments. And if you like this video, I
Do
guess
the needful.
Yeah, do the needful. Like this video, share it with your friends in your girl groups or your family groups or literally wherever. Anybody who would be interested in something like this. And comment nice things, subscribe to the channel, hype this video.
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us. Make sure you like our reels, comment nice things, tag your friends if we make a relatable reels, share it to them, reshare our reels, and
If you're watching us, or if you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a rating. 5 stars are all we need. And until next time,
stay Besharam.
Bye.
Bye.